The N3, one of South Africa's most important highways, was engulfed by unusually heavy snowfall, forcing motorists to spend the night in their vehicles. Authorities acted quickly, shutting down several roads and warning travelers to avoid the area altogether. The N3 remains hazardous, especially between Warden and Tugela Plaza, where snowfall has made travel nearly impossible, South Africa's Department of Transport stated.
Even the helicopter cannot help on this situation. Sure. These are all the vehicles coming from Joburg. Now the entry is falling one way.
The department expressed deep concern for the many stranded travelers, particularly those who had to spend the night at gas stations and along the snow-covered highway. Emergency services were swiftly dispatched to assist those in need, although no injuries or fatalities had been reported by Sunday morning.
It's a blessing, actually.
Visibility along the N3 was severely limited, with road safety organization Arrive Alive cautioning about worsening conditions. The organization warned that temperatures would continue to drop, bringing with them more snow and the formation of black ice, making travel even more dangerous. Their posts on X showcased vehicles buried in snow, emphasizing the treacherous conditions. The storm also forced the closure of 3 border posts with Lesotho. The Border Management Authority explained that the conditions posed a significant danger, with many roads completely impassable. Videos shared on social media captured the scale of the disaster, showing cars, trucks, and buses stuck in deep snow drifts, unable to move.
Sit nog steeds in voor van Renenspas vas. Kyk hoe lekker diep is die sneeu al. Enkel diepte. Kan nie eens meer loop nie. Mohammed Ghulam, one of the stranded motorists, spoke to Newsroom Africa from his car near the town of Harrismith, roughly 270 kilometers southeast of Johannesburg. "We've been here for over 13 hours. Our food supplies are gone, and I don't think we'll be able to get out without help from emergency services," Ghulam said, highlighting the severity of the situation. The N3 highway is a key route for South Africa, particularly for transporting goods to and from the port city of Durban.
The storm's disruption to freight transport is expected to have widespread economic consequences as millions of tons of cargo have been delayed. With the route being one of the country's busiest corridors, the sudden shutdown could lead to backlogs that take days or even weeks to clear. The South African Weather Service issued multiple alerts, warning of life-threatening conditions in the region. They noted that the snowstorm could result in the loss of livestock and damage to crops, with mountain passes in several areas completely shut down.
Look at the cars! Guys, we've been here since 6 o'clock. Izolo, just after Montrose entry. Siku entry, guys, module Montrose. We've been here and it's getting worse. As you can see, zonke imoto zistakile, guys. Siyacela ukuthi nisize, nisebenzise every social platform, guys.
In many rural communities, access to essential services was cut off, and residents were left isolated as snow continued to fall, making some areas unreachable. While no fatalities had been reported, the heavy snowfall had a ripple effect across the province. Schools and businesses were forced to close, and utility providers struggled to maintain power to affected areas. The weight of the snow on power lines caused outages in several regions, leaving many residents without electricity for hours.